The logo for the Kansas State School for the Blind, a flying blue eagle in the center of a red and yellow sunflower. The Kansas State School for the Blind presents the KSSB 5-Day Yoga and Mindfulness Challenge, Day 4. This video has audio description and captions. Here we are at Day 4 of KSSB's Yoga and Mindfulness Challenge. There's a chair behind me because today we are doing chair yoga. It's best to have a chair that doesn't have arms, and you definitely don't want one that has rollers. Make sure you're staying safe. The great thing about chair yoga is a lot of us end up having to sit in chairs for long periods of time, and this will give you some ideas, some exercises and stretches that you can do to take a little break from that chair. Go ahead and have a seat in your chair. Before we get started with today's practice, I wanted to talk to you about some breathing techniques. Anytime you're anxious or stressed out, slowing down and focusing on your breathing is one of the best things you can do to calm your mind and your body. There's so many different breathing techniques you can use. This one is called the Whoosh Breath, and it's a very simple one. You inhale, make a little tiny O with your mouth, and then you press the air out as you exhale, making a whoosh sound. Let's go ahead and try it. Inhale, make that little O, exhale through your O, and whoosh it out. One more time. Inhale, make an O with your mouth. Exhale through that O, whoosh it out. The second one is one of my favorites. It's called 4-7-8 breathing. You inhale for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 7, exhale for a count of 8. Let's try that one too. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice work. Now you have 2 more tools in your mindfulness toolbox. Let's get started with our chair yoga. We'll start in a seated position, your hands in your lap. Slide your hands toward your knees and grip the tops of your knees. We'll do seated cat, Marjariyasana, and cow, Vidalasana. Press into your hands. Inhale as you tuck your chin toward your chest, rounding your back into cat pose, like you're trying to press your forehead toward your belly button. Keeping your hands on your knees, exhale as you lift your chin and press it toward the sky, arching your back forward in cow pose. Inhale and bring your chin down into cat pose. Exhale and lift your chin up to the sky in cow pose. Inhale last time to cat. Exhale, cow pose, arch that back. Return to your sitting position. For a seated spinal twist, Parivrita Sukhasana, place your left hand, palm down, on the right side of your right thigh. Inhale as you grab onto the right chair edge or back with your right hand, and turn your face to look over your right shoulder toward the back of the room. Exhale as you release the pose and turn back to the front. Place your right hand, palm down, on the left side of your left thigh. Inhale as you grab onto the left chair edge or back with your left hand, and turn your face to look over your left shoulder toward the back of the room. Exhale as you release the pose and turn back to the front. We will now move to seated side bend, Parivrita Sukhasana. Place your right hand on the chair next to your right leg. If the chair is very narrow, you can leave your hand on your right thigh or tuck it under your right thigh. Keeping your bottom and hips centered on the chair, inhale as you reach your left arm out to the left, up toward the sky, and over to the right, palm toward the right. Exhale as you bring your left hand back over to the left and place it on the chair next to your leg, on your left thigh or tucked underneath it. Inhale as you lift your right arm out to the right, up toward the sky and over to the left, palm toward the left. Exhale as you return your right arm to the right side. Now wiggle your bottom just a few inches from your back seat so you can extend your legs slightly on the floor in front of you. Keep a slight bend in your legs and make sure you are still sitting safely in your chair so it won't slide out from under you. I'm going to turn to the side to show the profile of what I'm doing. With your legs extended but your feet still on the floor, inhale and lift your arms out to the sides, up and over your head. Exhale as you slowly bend forward from your hips, bringing your chest close to your thighs, your head close to your knees, and reaching down to your toes with your fingertips. Hold here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale as you lift your head and arms up toward the sky. Exhale as you slowly lower your arms to your sides. One more time. Inhale as you lift your arms out to the sides and up to the sky. Exhale as you fall forward over your extended legs. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale as you lift your head and arms. Exhale as you lower those arms to your sides. Our last pose is a form of seated pigeon pose. Lift your right knee toward your chest. Interlace your fingers around your right shin, pulling your knee up and toward your chest. Place the outside of your right ankle on top of your left knee. Place your right hand on your right knee and your left hand on your right foot, and allow that right knee to gently fall open to the right. Grip your knee with your right hand and your foot with your left hand, and bending from the hips, gently let your chest and head fall forward. Hold here and inhale. Exhale. Go a little bit deeper if you want. Inhale and exhale. Bring your head and chest back upright to a seated position. Use your left hand to grip your right foot and slide it off your left knee and back to the floor. Now lift your left knee toward your chest. Interlace your fingers around your left shin, pulling that knee toward your chest. Place the outside of your left ankle on top of your right knee. Place your left hand on your left knee, your right hand on your left foot. Allow that left knee to gently fall open to the left. Grip your left knee with your left hand and your left foot with your right hand, and bend from the hips, gently letting your chest and head fall forward. Hold here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your head and chest back upright to a seated position. Use your right hand to grip your left foot and slide it off your right knee and back to the floor. Now sit up straight and tall. Lift your arms out to the sides and up as you inhale, bringing your arms over your head, and then exhale as you slowly lower them back to the chair. Again, inhale as you lift your arms out and up. Exhale as you lower them to the chair. Inhale as you lift your arms out and up, taking up as much space as you can. Exhale as you slowly lower them back down to the chair. You just did some excellent chair yoga. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 5 when we wrap everything up. The logo for the Kansas State School for the Blind. Fade to black.